Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today is the 5th of September. It's Friday the 5th of September. I have some time tonight, so I would like to do my analysis for next week one time because I have a pretty busy weekend. Okay, and let me come out a bit, zoom out a bit so you guys can see what happened. All right, so we did have a break. This was the trading range high. And we had a break there, so that is another change of character. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Euro USD is really doing me in. It is really doing me in right now. So we had a change of character down here. Now we have another change of character up here. And in my previous videos, I keep saying I am yet to get a confirmed trend, because when you have a change of character, the trend change of direction is still unconfirmed. The second break of structure is what would really confirm that we are in a trend. Okay, so this is now my new high. This remains as my trading range low. All right, and this is a change of character right here. All right, this is my 20 moving average. Let me just make sure. Okay, let me also plot. I'll also plot a 10 moving average. One of the rules that I implemented for this strategy, just because of past experience, I said that a pullback will be when price interacts with the 20 moving average. So we can see where price is right now. We haven't gotten any interaction with the 20 moving averages yet, but it has gone below the 10. And for all intents and purposes, I would count this as a pullback just because it's a clear, you have a clear swing high and price has pulled back into the previous trading range. All right, so I feel comfortable counting it as a pullback. Okay, let me measure my trading range now. Trading range low to trading range high, 185 pips. Okay, and I am also going to throw my Fibonacci back on, because I think the key to this strategy is just getting the right Fibonacci pullback zones. And I haven't been able to collect enough data to tell me when the best zone is for different legs of the trend. All right, so this will be my Fibonacci retracement. All right, so we see price has already made a 20%, almost 25 or 25% pullback. So this is what we're looking at. We're looking for buys. All right, we are in an unconfirmed uptrend. Hey everyone, it's Sunday 14. So let's see how last week's trades played out. So I had one win, one full win, one full loss, and then a small win when price closed on Friday. When I did my analysis on Friday, this is where price would have been, right? And it was about a, what is that? Not quite 40% pullback. It was a 30% pullback. And so when price opened, we were looking for buys because we established that there was a change of character here. All right. So we were looking for buys and we got an entry and we got a full win. And we were still looking for buys at this point. And of course, price went up, activated the buy stop, and then completely reversed. So yeah, that was the loss here, full loss. And this was on Friday. So really and truly on Friday, I should have been looking for sells because we had a break of structure here, which was a change of character. We had a change of character here, but I just didn't like the all the wicks that I was getting. I did not like this price action, so I just continued looking for buys because it looked like price was going to reverse to me. So here, this was just a small win. All right, so let me show you that, guys, in my MT5. All right, so there you have it for the week. This was the full win. the full loss, and then a small win. So pretty much a break-even week. What I had done initially was to have a different EA running for each section here because I wanted to identify which was the most profitable because I was having trouble just measuring the pullback on my own to determine which was the most profitable. But I think I'm just going back to doing that, to measuring it manually and then putting it in the chart rather than trying to see what EA would have given me the highest results. So like here you see this placed by expert advisor 2000 expert advisor, and you see 6,000 there. This one was by 9,000. So it is an accurate way, but I realize that if there is some sort of break of structure or change of character during the week, because it's so much work to edit 11 EAs, I most likely will do it and it will be very difficult to continue tracking this process. So for me, I just prefer to take the easy route and to measure it manually rather than trying. Although the EA tracking it with different magic numbers for the EA would be more accurate, um, this is more practical for upkeep and for consistency. So I'm just going to measure it manually. All right, so I am going to update my spreadsheet with last week's trades, and then I'm going to do my analysis for the week to come, and you all will see that in the next video. All right, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to the next video to see how that week turns out. Okay, bye.